Did you see the way I came here looking? I did. But I was over here struggling with these.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
We're off to a late start today. I ain't got no bra on. I don't know if anyone else experiences this, but it's T-minus 5 days until my period starts. And all of a sudden, I am just tired. Getting ample amount of sleep. Going to bed at a reasonable time. But when it's time for me to wake up, I'm still tired. It's ghetto. Anyways, I'm about to half-ass make my bed and get dressed and get prepared. I have a client today. She is a new client. It's my first time doing her hair. She had her consultation. I went over her hair and everything, and she has beautiful hair. We have similar hair. She has very lustrous hair. She has a cute little red tint. I'll insert her pics here, and she's graying. And I told her, I was like, girl, stop dyeing your hair and just let that gray come in. It's a bunch of party, you get in. And now, Julio, I'll drink gin. Girl, let that gray in. Because you wasted money by trying to dye it. It's just going to come back more crazier. And it's not going to take. And it's not worth it. She was just doing rinses, respectfully. I don't think she was actually bleaching or anything, but I'm like, girl, leave it alone. Let that gray come in, baby. Accept it. When my bitch ass don't tell her, but I'm not accepting my gray because, hey, I'm not ready. And it's not growing in like hers, respectfully. So I'm about to make this bed, and then I'm about to put on some clothes. Wait, no. Yes, I'm about to put on some clothes after that. And then we're going to get the studio ready for her. It's been cold the past couple of nights, but it's been hot. So I take my big comforter off. But when I get cold, I just grab one of my little blankets and I just put them on the bed. It's a half-ass making up of the bed. I need it to be even. It's like an ass back home, really like that. It's hella dark in here because I closed this because it be giving off, I don't know, good. Maybe the light is good. Maybe that's what I needed. I just hindered myself. Maybe. I probably did. I probably made the video crappier because I closed those doors. And that gives me all my light. I'll reshoot. I'm not reshooting. Shit. Baby, when I tell you, I be so annoyed at myself sometimes. I be talking to y'all and I don't be recording. And I can clearly see the recording button on this camera. And I just be talking. Oh, Lord. Literally, I am taking my lashes off. I showed y'all. I took them off with a cotton swab and the ICL water, whatever that stuff is called, that water. And it literally just came off. And now I'm taking a makeup wipe and I am just taking my eyelashes in between my nail and the flat part of my index finger, and I'm just getting the remainder of the glue off. Like, there's glue right there in the corner of my eye, and I just got it off. This is the kryptonite of the lash glue. Just regular makeup remover, and it does get on my nails, and I hate that, but we're getting it off. And this doesn't take that long. Last night I braided my hair. I have a total of 20 braids, and I'm very proud of myself because I set a goal. It was like 9:16, and I was like, normally my braiding my hair takes 2 hours if I just do 20 braids. If I do any more, it's a problem. So I was like, all right, it's 9:15 or whatever. If I go now, I'll be done by 11:15, and that'll be enough time for me to go to bed at a decent hour. All that. Baby, I got it done. I was so proud of myself. I got it done. And now I'm going to have a set style. we're good. Now it's time to get dressed. And I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm about to put a good old two-piece on and call it a day. Okay? We'll also put a bra on. I got my two-piece on. I got my two-piece on. Whole outfit together, just like that. I'm gonna undo my hair. And honestly, I'm not. I'm gonna put it right back where it needs to be because I'm gonna need it out of my face when I'm working on the next project, which we are about to start. And here we are. Do not use blade to open. What am I supposed to use then? If I'm not supposed to use a blade, what am I supposed to use? Something sharp. All right, so I decided to invest in a saddle salon chair. And you basically straddle the seat as opposed to when you're sitting in a normal seat, your thighs are pressing and it's kind of like just dangling. So I decided to invest in a saddle seat to where I can be more comfortable while I'm doing hair. I don't know if the saddle seats are expensive, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a saddle seat if I wasn't going to like it. So, of course, I went to Amazon and I found the most cost affordable one. So now we just have to put it together. So I'll grab this stuff out first. All right, here's the saddle seat. See, it's like a saddle. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna save space in cleaning up by putting all the trash back in this. I've put together plenty of chairs and stools, so they should go pretty fast. I wanted different wheels, but once again, didn't want to invest if I wasn't going to like it. So I was using a bar stool that I already have in the house, just in the in between time, trying to keep the cost low for this new venture. And from the heads that I've done, 0 out of 10. Hate it. So got all of our pieces laid out. I started watching a show last night when I was doing my hair. Oh, this is very simple. Sidebar. This is very simple. It's just 2 pages. I love that for me. All right. So I started watching a show on Prime Video. It's called, I don't know if y'all seen the show. It was called The Jury or The Juror, but it was a reality show where everyone was an actor except for one person. And I don't believe I watched it, but I started watching the newest season and it's hilarious. So we're just gonna, there we go. We're gonna line it up so they're all in there. I don't feel like getting up, so I'm just going to use the Allen wrench that they are providing instead of getting up and getting my tool.
Prizes, all right? I love you guys. We're going to like take this to the next. Yeah.
Sales, Jimmy Weber Warehouse.
Texas is feeling unloved with its No way. That's Y-U-R-T.
Okay, that is the
Patience, because I know you all have questions. Well, after giving it Trucus. So.
For me, this is personal, I gotta tell you. Actually, I'm gonna just show you. I literally carry my purse, put it on everything. These guys will tell you, I love it. It is my go-to.
Only thing is not getting much movement on the carpet, but I would have to get one of those mats in order to make it move on the carpet. But this is what I need. This is exactly what I need. It's good. It feels good straddling it. This feels real good as opposed to bar stool that I was using, but this works real good I'm happy with this purchase. Good. I have to go and get me something to eat. I go to this local taco spot, right? But there is times where I don't like going at lunch, but I was hungry. But there's a man that works the afternoon shift, baby. I cannot stand when he there. The food don't be the same quality when he there. And when I rolled up, I seen him, and I was like, damn. When he's there, the food just be mid. So let's see. Last time I didn't have no cilantro, or it was no onions, only cilantro. So let's see what they hitting for. I got 2 chicken. She be like, the meat don't be as good. I'm gonna eat this, but it's just like the chicken tinga be dry. The quality in the product definitely goes down when he is there. But I can't complain. I can't complain because I paid my money for this, but I can't complain because I didn't feel like fixing myself some lunch. So we about to make this happen. Hold on, let me get my water. I got 4 tacos. Why would you give me 1 lime? I might need both of these, so I'm gonna just bring them both over. But it's not a lime, but it's lemon. I need some kind of citrus, baby. All right, so because this is super dry, it's not even, it be sometimes dripping. This ain't dripping, so what I'm gonna do is I like to split because the chicken be too dry. I split it up. There, a little bit more feasible that way. As soon as I walked up, I seen him. I was like, damn. The green sauce would be hitting though. Super good. Wizard Kelly put me onto the spot. Mind you, this was a spot right by my house. Seen it multiple times. That green sauce is spicy. But it's good. Respectfully, after this, I'm gonna take a nap. And you get 4 tacos for $10, which I feel is cool. And they also give you charro bean. I'm gonna pass on these. Normally I eat these, but these got a lot of pork in it. But you get 4 tacos and a thing of charro beans for $10. I think that's a cool little deal. Just don't go in the afternoon. I like to go at 3. I think he don't be there.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile.
How you like them?
Oh, You did an awesome job.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I came in here looking like Willie Woody.
Okay. I'm good.
Girl,
Okay.
you
Thank
did better than my beauty.
Really?
I'm
have
coming
really-
back.
Okay. Okay. I appreciate you.
Did you see the way I came in here looking?
I did.
But I was over here struggling with these loosies. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try my best. Oh my God, Robin, thank you so much.
Yeah.